Hello, in front of me I've got XPeng P7 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to enable or disable active driving recording. In the beginning take a look at the screen display and next go to car and find intelligent imaging. Scroll down and now find driving recorder. Switch it to enable this function. If the car is started and USB drive is plugged in, silent video footage of car surroundings is recorded continuously. In emergencies, the part of the footage before, during, and after the incident will be stored and logged in another place to show what is going on. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.